Okay, expansion using this special algebraic identity. So what is this? So before that, we know already that a plus b times a plus b will be a squared plus ab plus ab plus b squared, right? If you forget that already, I'll remind you. So firstly, you have the a times a squared. That will give you the a squared. And the next one will be a times b, which give you ab, b times a, which give you the ba or ab again, and then b times b will be b squared. So after that, remember you need to combine the same kind. So we have AB, both AB here, AB and AB. So there will be 2AB here. Yeah. So yeah, same kind. So we combine become 2AB. Sure. Now, from that discussion, we can conclude a formula which is A plus B square. Yeah, again. A plus B times A plus B will mean A plus B square, right? Because when you times something with something that is just the same, it will be square. Okay, skip that, skip that. Yep. So then we can get this formula, and there's another formula also for you, which is if the sign was negative, it will result in the negative in the middle one. So you can try this at home. Yeah, if you don't try it, it's okay also. This is given for you already. And another formula is a plus b times a minus b will be a square minus b square. Now this thing is called the perfect squares. It's called the difference of two squares. Yeah, a square and b square. You minus it, you'll get the difference of two squares. Get it? So why is this called the perfect squares? Actually, there's a reason behind it, and that will be a long process to show you. So maybe I'll cover that in another video, or maybe not. But if you are interested, you can come find me, and I'll provide you with the explanation. So for now, that's first. So expand each of the following expressions. So yeah, they'll just mean x plus 3 times x plus 3, x squared, and then yeah. So you can do it that way, the previous slide. I'm sorry, one by one, or you can just follow this formula. So look at this formula, focus here. So what we have here for the result is the first number squared, and for the back one, the last number squared, right? And for the middle one, it's just 2 times first number times second number. So we just apply that. First number is x here, and the second number is 3. So for the middle one will be 2 times first number times second number. 2x times x times 3. That will give you some kind of shortcut instead of expanding it to x plus 3 times x plus 3, then you times 1 by 1, like that, right? And then you combine the same kind. Yeah, this is just a shortcut, much shorter. So same thing with this one. So remember, 2x squared will be 4x squared. So you don't just square the variable, you also square the number, the coefficient in front of it. Now we have expand each of the following expression. Yeah, same thing. Now for this one, the first number is 6, the second number will be negative x. Remember what I taught you in the previous topic, that the negative sign here in front of a number of a letter belongs to that number or that letter. So instead of seeing it as 6 minus x, please see it as 6 and negative x. Yeah. So for the middle one will be 2 times 6 times negative x. Yeah, that will be negative 12x. So the textbook, have a different kind of writing it a bit. The negative sign, they put it in front. Yeah, it's okay, but trust me, just see it as 2 times 6 times negative x. That will be better for you. All right. So for the question B, the same thing. Yeah, it's still it has the same negative sign in the middle. It's just that now it has a coefficient in the back. So just remember to also square the coefficient. Okay. Yeah. So this one now, you might want to times in one by one, right? Because that's what you learned in the previous topic. But we have learned that there's a formula for that. This one. So in the times, yeah, two times, yeah, the same number. So A and B again, but just different sign, plus and minus. You will have this first number squared, yeah, minus the second number squared. So let's just apply that to here. So same number, right? First number is just the same, x and x. Last number 2 and 2, same. The sign is different, so we use that formula. So just first number squared minus the second number squared. Yeah, we apply that. See, it's written here. So yep, yeah, that will give you much shorter time. Yeah, just like a shortcut. And then this one just the same. Yeah, 2y squared. So yeah, 4y squared. Okay, so we are going to be using it in calculating something like this. 102 squares. So evaluate this value without using the calculator. So what we can do here, we are separating the 100 and the 2, right? So we have the x plus y squared form here, like this one. Oh, sorry, it's not x and y. We use a plus b square here. Remember? Oh, sorry. Okay. Remember that if we have a plus b square here, it will be a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, let's do this. Oh, it's written here even. Okay. So a square will be 100 square here, plus 2ab will be plus 2ab times 100 times 2. In the middle, plus b square will be 2 square, so 2 times 100 times 2, 400, yeah. So this like kind of like easier way to calculate it. So can calculate without calculator. So for 497, please don't separate it into 400 plus 97. That will be useless because 97 itself is kind of hard to calculate, right? So we need to separate it into like easier number. So we can separate into 503, 500 minus 3. So we can use this formula, the a minus b squared. Almost the same, yeah, just follow the formula. And for this one, you can, change into a plus b times a minus b1. So 200 plus 1, 200 minus 1. And according to the formula, it can be shortened to a square plus minus b square. So a square will be 200 square, b square will be 1 square. That is easy, yeah? 40,000 minus 1. What can be easier than that, right? So yeah, problem involving the use of special algebraic identities. So so we have x plus y squared here. So what we can do here is we can expand this first, become this. Now they ask us to find the value of x squared plus y squared here. We can have it, but we have xy here. It's very disturbing here, right? We don't want the xy. Luckily, we are given the xy, so it's negative 120. So we just put in, substitution. So 2 times negative 120 will be negative 240. Yeah. So and then negative 240 will move to the other side. So we can get only the x squared plus y squared. So we get the answer already. Yeah, that's the end of this topic. So I hope you understand. If you have any question, you can find me. Okay, bye-bye.